Hi everyone, happy Sunday. Sunday is the day I look forward to because it's family time. On Sundays, my family eats together because on other days we all go to work and we cannot have our meals together. So Sunday is the day we really look forward to sit together, laugh, chat. And today I am going to make vegetable pulao. So let's get started. Now this is basmati rice, 2 cups. This is the measure I use, 2 cups. So I will be soaking this for 20 minutes. Okay, so it's 20 minutes now. The rice is soaked and these are all the ingredients. This is a bowl of onion, chopped onion, curd, tomatoes, green chilies, mint leaves. This is the cinnamon that I use. It's very nice, cinnamon powder. These are seasoning cubes, 4 seasoning cubes of Maggi, vegetarian. Coriander leaves. These are cashew nuts, green peas. And here, chopped carrots, French beans and baby corn. Besides this, I will be using little garlic and ginger paste and turmeric. Yes. I will start with the garlic ginger paste. I'll add these ingredients in the mixer. First comes the garlic ginger paste. Then comes the coriander leaves. Then the mint leaves. A tablespoon of fennel seeds. The 8 green chilies. I put very little cinnamon powder. A little bit of turmeric powder. And finally a small bowl of curd. Now blend it. Okay. I'm not using ghee nor butter, but I use only olive oil for this pulao. Let the onions. I'll have to saute it till it is brown and transparent. So I'll saute it till it's brown and translucent. I'll add the tomatoes now. I'll fry it till it is nice and soft. Now I will put the baby corn, the carrots and the French beans. Stir it well. I use very little oil, very little oil. Now I'll add the paste. Give it a good stir. Stir it well. Close it just for a minute. It's a minute already. Now I'll add double the water. It was 2 cups rice, so this will be 4 cups water. I'll add a little salt and the seasoning cubes. Stir it well. Add the cashew nuts. And close it till it comes to a boil. Here, as you can see, it's come to a boil. Now I'll add the rice. And stir it. Doesn't it look yummy? Okay, we'll close it till it's done. Let me open it. There, it's ready. I changed the spoon because I feel very comfortable with this. And finally, a bowl full of green peas. Give it a good mix from down below. And there you go. Ready to eat. It's family time, lunch time. Let's garnish it with some coriander leaves. It's as per your requirement. If you wish to, you can, or if not, it's okay. I like to garnish it with coriander leaves. Ready to eat. Yummy.